Good afternoon, YouTube Nation. This is Tom and Ron with RTR Gearheads, and just want to give you a little update here. I didn't bother going through the whole process of cutting out and showing the driver's floor pan, but I'll show you the finished product. What I've got going on here now is, if you look right across here, all down there, that's all new metal, all welded in, spot welded in. This whole floor pan, brand new, all the way across. The inner step wells, brand new. The lower door pillar hinges, right there, new. This lower door is new, along with the lower door hinge bolt support. So all that's new. You know, these 59s, these 55, 8, 9, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9s, they had a lot of rust. And if I find one that's dry, boy, you've really got a gem there. But here we are with the floorboards completed. And the only thing left now is to start welding the floorboards in. Now, the toe boards are in, they're lined up, they're kicked in where they should be. I've started welding the main floorboard in. You can see right across here. And it's bolted in back here with the rear bench seat support. You got to drill a hole here and a hole there, and then spot weld to hold the panel up underneath there. And then of course there's a brace that goes up underneath here, long, probably about 3 inches wide. And then right on the inside of this, inside here, is an L bracket floorboard support that's got to go in. I still have to cut in the pockets here for the lower cab mounts, and I had to repair this one good bit, put good metal in it. The other one over there had a little bit of rust in it, but it wasn't worth going after, because eventually I pulled both floor cab mounts and redo them. And here's the dashboard, which is again, that's a commando green. It's a Chrysler color. I absolutely love it. I've got a lot of weight, you know, a lot to do, but I've already done a lot. Just want to show you where we're at with this, and hopefully by the time my good friend Ronnie comes home, I'll have this engine in running and we can go out for a cruise. That's my goal, is welcome him home in hot rod fashion, and it'd be good to have him back working on street rods and helping us out here. We wish him the best. All the soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marine, Coast Guard guys that are and gals that are out there in harm's way doing a service to our great nation. We appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. God bless you both. God bless you all. And I appreciate you guys checking in on us. Give us a subscribe and leave some comments. We'd love to hear from you. Hey, wish you guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.